Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is a shoe haul and I am so excited to share it with you. I purchased these a few weeks ago and I've already worn 3 out of the 4 pairs that I'm going to share with you. That one that I have not worn, I'm not sure about. You're going to tell me what you think. But without further ado, let's jump right into this video. The first pair I want to share with you are a pair of Valentinos, and these are my first Valentino heels. I do own 2 of their rock stud slides. They are the rubber ones. I love them. They are fantastic for the beach or for just every day in South Florida. But it's the first time that I actually saw one that I really wanted to pick up. I've looked at a lot of their different styles. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I talk about having those thick heels. And when you have those thick heels, you don't want all these strappy things all over them. All right, let's get into this first pair. So excited to share it with you. Again, I've worn every single pair of shoes. It came in its box, and I bought all of these from an Instagram seller that I have purchased from before, and I will share her information in the description box. So they were brand new, full set, packaged very nicely, and let me get them out so that you can see them. And they are the Valentino rock stud slides, and look at these. They are so beautiful. The color, I believe, is called Candy. It is a beautiful pink, perfect Barbie pink. I actually wore them to the Barbie movie. I know, TMI. And this is what they look like. They have the gold studs all across the straps. And don't bother looking at the heels. Like I said, already worn them. And they have a very comfortable block heel. And like I said, I'm super excited to have been able to pick them up. I did purchase them below retail and brand new, so super excited to have these in my collection. Second pair is Chanel, also a brand new, full set in their box, and already worn these 2. They are very comfortable, and these actually are from the 23P collection. And let me share with you. Came with their dust bags, all their packaging, and they are, get everything out for you. They are also slides, and these are beige. They have the 2 CCs. They have 3 straps, and they look like if they are adjustable, but they are not. They are set, and you cannot move this. So it has 3 straps in the front, and actually it's 1 and 2 because these are connected. But basically it has the 3 strap look in the front. Another really nice block heel. This is lower than the Valentino. It says Chanel right there. And this is what they look like. They are very comfortable. The CC is I want to say it's silver. I think it's silver. And these also came in black. I saw somebody's video that was showing the 23P collection. These came in black. The seller only had these available in this color in my size, and I swooped them up right away. Under retail also. I've already worn them, and they are just perfect for South Florida weather. All right, before we get into this pair, which is one that I am super excited about, again, I've already worn these a few times. I just wanted to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy the video. And if you do, I hope that you will click the subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel grow. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much. Now, this pair. This pair is from the runway. I was super excited when she had it in my size. It came full set, the 2 dust bags. They were brand new, but they had a little scuff on them, which was okay for me because I've already scuffed them a little bit more. And actually, I've got the other dust bags that belong to the other pair in here too. But let me just get to these. I am so excited. I love these. And to be frank, I don't know that I would have bought them at full price because it's a pair of shoes that you're not gonna wear all the time. But let me show you. Okay. It is these absolutely gorgeous Chanel slides. Look at these. These are basically they're just called the crumpled lambskin slides. They are 4-inch heels. The platform is big. However, they are super comfortable. They have the gold CCs on the side. And that's what they look like. Here's the other one. Again, I've worn them, and you can see there is I don't know if you can see it with the light, but see that little scuff right there? I'm trying to see the light. There's a little tiny scuff right there, and there's a tiny scuff here. See that right there? And that was what was wrong with the shoe. And if you look right here, you can barely see it. There's a little tiny, there's kind of like a little tiny right there. I don't know if you can see it. See where the leather, it's just a little like, I don't know. That's what was wrong with the shoes. I was okay with it, perfectly okay with it, because these are white shoes and I am going to scuff them over and over again because I'm not the most careful person with my shoes, but I love shoes. And anyway, I am so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a photo of one of the days that I was wearing them. I love them. So I am very excited to have added them to my collection. It is hot, hot, hot. Let me just have a little drink. It's just tonic water. I am trying to lose weight and pretending I'm having a nice rosé. Anyhow, let's get to the 4th pair. The 4th pair is Louis Vuitton, brand new. They did not come in a box, and actually they only came with 1 dust bag. And I don't really know what possessed me to buy them because they are really not my style. If you've been with me, you know I love Louis Vuitton, and I do have about 3 pairs of LV shoes, 3 or 4, I don't remember, but none that look like this. And I think that I was taken over by the whole raffia thing that's going around. I don't own a raffia bag. I don't think I'm interested in buying a raffia bag. So I don't know why I thought I should buy a raffia sneaker. But here they are, brand new. This one is the one I tried on. They fit me exact. I am a 37. I'm a true 37 in Chanel and LV, in Valentino, and basically almost everything. I'm true to size. So these do fit me, but they're sneakers and they fit me exact. And I don't know if that's a great idea. Here you go. It's leather. Then it's got the raffia. And yeah, they're on the Louis Vuitton. They were on the website when I purchased them. I don't know if they're still on the website. I haven't gone back to look. But these, I just don't know. What do you think? Oh, and then they have the really nice LV canvas in the back. But here's the... So I just don't know about these. You know, these are not really my style of sneaker. I don't even wear sneakers that much. And by the way, I picked up like 2 or 3 pairs during the anniversary sale. I will be sharing that Nordstrom haul coming up probably right after this one. So what do you think? These are the only ones that I am not so sure about. I can't return them. Therefore, I would just have to sell them either to Fashion File or if anybody else was interested in them. But yeah, what do you think? Other than that, that is the shoe haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know which one your favorite is. Do you own any of these? And I will see you soon. Bye.